Okay, now I would like to expand about the introduction. Mangrove are unique forests that grow along the coastless, thriving and salty water where most other plants can survive. This incredible tree and plant have a special adaptation, like the strong root that manage the salt, allowing them to live in challenging environment like a tidal zone and mud flat. Mangrove are not just fascinating; they are also essential for the planet and for the people. Other than that, these forests protect the coastless from the erosion, storm, flood, and acting as a natural barriers. They store a large amount of carbon, helping to fight the climate change. Mangrove provide the home of many animals, include fish, crabs, and birds, and support the community by ensuring food and resources. Last but not least, mangrove are under threat from the human activity like pollution, deforestation, and coastal development. To protect this vital ecosystem, we need to restore the damaged area, create reserve, and encourage sustainable practice by saving the mangrove and safeguard coastal community to preserve biodiversity and help combat environment challenge worldwide.
Now we move to the research findings. Definition and types of mangrove pollution. Mangrove pollution poses a significant threat to biodiversity and ecosystem functionality due to their location at the interface of land and sea. Types of mangrove pollution. Firstly is microplastic pollution. Mangroves trap microplastic from urban runoff, sewage, and marine debris. Malaysian mangroves have been found with high levels of microplastic contamination in sediments, which is 97 particles per kilogram, and water 10,963 per cubic meters. Predominantly fragmented blue microplastics. Secondly is oil spills. Oil spills introduce complex chemical mixtures that are difficult to clean due to the mangrove structure and remote locations. Spilled oil can cause chronic stress in mangroves, impacting growth, reproduction, and survival. Crude and heavy fuel oils can form thick, sticky layers, disrupting biological processes and requiring significant energy expenditure to adapt. Now we move to the causes of mangrove pollution. Firstly is deforestation. Human activities like agriculture, aquaculture, and urban development contribute to mangrove loss in Malaysia with a deforestation rate higher than the global average. This disrupts ecological balances and contributes to climate change. Secondly is overexploitation. Overexploitation is excessive harvesting of mangrove wood and charcoal for fuel and construction, depletes resources, degrades forest structure, and impairs regeneration. Overexploitation drives mangrove degradation globally, forcing communities to adopt destructive practices like shrimp farming and timber exports. These activities harm mangroves' ecological role and their ability to support biodiversity and mitigate climate change.
Today I will discuss about the impact of mangrove pollution. Firstly, habitat degradation. As we know, mangrove ecosystem also play a significant role in providing foods and habitats for diverse ocean and terrestrial organisms and in transporting carbon and nutrient to the neighboring coastal zone or ocean. Reduction in species can happen. For example, water pollution, including chemical contamination and industrial waste, can degrade the water quality in mangrove areas. This can lead to a decline in population of species living there, especially fish, shrimp, and crabs that rely on clean and nutrient-rich environment. Damage to breeding habitats. For example, mangroves are essential breeding ground for many marine species. Pollution such as oil and heavy metals can damage mangrove trees and the underlying marine habitat, disrupting breeding processes and reducing the number of species that can reproduce in the area. Secondly, the impact of mangrove pollution is reduction of ecosystem functions in mangroves. Mangroves play a crucial role in maintaining water quality, absorbing carbon, and providing habitats for various species. They act as natural filters, trapping pollutant and excess sediments, which help protect marine ecosystem. However, pollution, including plastic and chemicals, weakens their ability to function effectively. As water quality deteriorates, the mangrove ecosystem becomes less capable of filtering water and absorbing toxins, creating a cycle of environmental degradation. To ensure the health of mangrove ecosystem and coastal environments, effort to reduce pollution and preserve mangrove habitats are essential for maintaining clean water and biodiversity.
Ways to protect mangrove branches include 1. Site selection and assessment. Effective mangrove restoration begins by selecting the right site with proper tidal flow, good soil and water quality. It also involves protecting this area from pollution and land deposits. The restoration process includes gathering data on the land, cleaning up debris and removing harmful species, and stabilizing the area by considering both environmental and social factors. The restoration can bring back healthier mangrove ecosystem and strengthen coastal protecting. Second, hydrology restoration. Hydrology restoration is also essential for mangrove growth and survival as it supports tidal flow that can bring nutrients and move sediments. Human activity like building dikes can disrupt this flow, so efforts like removing barrier and reconnected tidal area are needed. Special solutions such as planting salt tolerance plants and monitoring water quality help keep this ecosystem healthy. Successful cases show that reconnection tidal system help restore mangrove and improve ecosystem balance.
Biodiversity impacts. Mangrove forests are incredibly important for biodiversity as they provide unique habitats for many endangered species like the Royal Bengal tiger, manatees and sea turtle. Their forests are home to a wide variety of wildlife that rely on their species' constant condition. Human activities such as clearing land for farming, shrimp aquaculture or urban development are major threats to mangrove. This leads to the loss of habitat and disrupt the balance of nature. Conservation efforts are crucial to protect mangrove, which then help preserve the animal and ecosystem that depend on them. Carbon impacts. Mangrove forests are small but very important for storing carbon, called blue carbon, which help fight climate change. They hold a lot of carbon compared to their size. Protecting and restoring mangrove can help stop this damage. They protect coasts from storm, store carbon and fight climate change. Mangroves are essential for a healthier planet.
In conclusion, mangroves face several threats, but their conservation is crucial for biodiversity, climate change, resilience, and coastal communities. Human activity like deforestation, pollution, and unsustainable development put mangroves at risk. To protect them, stronger conservation measures, sustainable management practice, and public awareness are essential. Mangroves offer valuable benefits such as coastal protection, habitats for wildlife, and carbon storage. An integrated conservation approach is needed, including strengthened law enforcement and local community involvement. Community possess vital knowledge and rely on mangroves, so their participation is key. With proper conservation, mangrove ecosystem will thrive, benefit both the environment and people, contributing to a sustainable future for generations to come. Effective mangrove preservation helps balance human development with environmental protection, ensuring our survival on Earth.